Microwave magic, unveiling the wonders of quick cooking. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore an exciting phrase in the English language, microwave magic. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a fascinating example of how English blends technology with everyday life to create vivid, expressive language. Let's dive in and unravel the mystery and charm of microwave magic. Microwave magic refers to the almost miraculous way a microwave oven cooks or heats food quickly and efficiently. This phrase combines two words, microwave, a type of oven that uses microwaves to heat food, and magic, which here implies something extraordinary or seemingly impossible. It's a playful expression used to describe the wonder of turning cold, unappetizing food into a warm, delicious meal in just minutes. This phrase is a product of the modern, fast-paced world where quick solutions are highly valued. The microwave oven, a common household appliance, symbolizes convenience and speed. Therefore, microwave magic is often used in casual, everyday conversation to express amazement at the quick cooking process, especially when time is short and hunger is high. You might hear or use microwave magic in various situations. For instance, when someone quickly heats up leftovers and they taste as good as fresh, you might say, "That's microwave magic." It's also used humorously or lightly, often bringing a smile or acknowledging the marvels of modern technology in our daily lives. We hope you've enjoyed learning about microwave magic. This phrase is a delightful example of how English can be playful and descriptive, capturing the essence of our modern lives. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, technology, and everyday experiences. Keep exploring, and you'll discover the magic in many more phrases. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening.